Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're gonna go over our top 5 favorite variations for the deadlift. The 5 variations that we're gonna go over today is gonna be the traditional deadlift, the deficit deadlift, Romanian deadlift, hex bar deadlift, and a jumping hex bar deadlift. So starting out with the traditional deadlift, we're gonna take feet hip width apart. We're gonna grab the bar right next to where our legs are gonna be. So we're gonna reach down, grab the bar, roll the bar to our chin, or to our shin, chin up, back flat, exhale on the way up, and back down. You're gonna drag that bar up against your legs until you go around your knee, and then straight down. So for the deficit deadlift, you're gonna have the feet elevated a little bit, so that way you have to reach a little further down to the bar. It's almost like you yourself have longer legs. Reach down and grab the bar in the same position, same feet position. Roll the bar back to your shin, chin up, exhale on the way up, and back down. Now into the Romanian deadlift, or also known as the RDL. You're gonna reach down, grab the bar. Starting position is at the top. Keeping the bar on our legs, we're gonna hinge forward with a slight bend in the knees until you feel a hamstring stretch. But hips back, think about touching your hips to the wall, keeping the bar on your leg the whole time until you feel a stretch, and back up. So the hex bar deadlift, you're gonna be in the bar. So you're standing inside the bar, that way you don't have to try to get around the knees at all. You're gonna reach down, grab the bar. You wanna pull from the center point of your foot, so you don't wanna have the bar rolled too far forward or rolled too far back. You wanna get that right in the center of your foot, chin up, back pinched. Exhale on the way up. And then now for the jumping hex bar deadlift. Same deadlift, you're just gonna add a jump with it. Can't really add a jump with the regular bar because you might hit your knees, throw your body off position. You're gonna grab, same position as you were for the regular hex bar deadlift. Pull it slightly off the ground. Once you get it slightly off the ground, explode up. So you wanna bring it slightly off the ground first, that way you don't throw your hips up too high and when you initially start to jump. But if you engage in the exercise, get it just about an inch off the ground and then explode, good form. Notice when I jump up, I'm letting the weight take me back down. I'm bending at the hips and the knees, letting the weight go back down until I'm back in my stance. I'm not trying to catch it standing straight up. Now there you have 5 different deadlift variations. I'm gonna take and put the description and the benefit to each one in the description below. If you learned anything or liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. 5 different variations, switch your deadlifts up. Let me know what you think.